Let's say this 10 baht is the Sun, which in the heliocentric model has the Earth orbiting the Sun because the Sun is that much more massive than the Earth, despite our observations that the Sun and the Moon appear to be the same size. However, they are all contrived from equations made to fit the model that has the Sun massive enough to pull the Earth around. The coin here has a certain value, 10 baht. So the Sun in the mathematical equation is given a certain value. It must be massive enough to have all the gas which it is made up of, massive enough and dense enough to have enough gravity to pull a smaller Earth around, just based on the heliocentric concept, not necessarily observations, just the way the model is said to work. And of course there are many problems that come in with this concept. For example, with the Moon apparently orbiting the Earth like this, what happens when the Moon gets around here? How come it's not pulled in by the Sun when it's closer to the Sun? Apparently the Earth manages to cling on to the Moon in its orbit even though it is going around that way. There are other things to think about that are complete fallacies with the heliocentric model. Here I've put a little piece of red Play-Doh on one side of the coin, and here we have a distant star that we are looking at in the heliocentric model. Here's the Sun. So of course what happens is at night time, here's the sunlight side, here's the night side, when the Earth is over here and we are looking at a star up here in the sky, how come when we go around the Sun 6 months later, our night side is facing that way, our daylight side is now facing this way towards the Sun? How on earth is it possible for someone here on the night side to still be able to see a star that they could see when they were over here? It's impossible. That's one major fallacy of the heliocentric model which really cannot be explained.